Hi, Giant Jeans fans. Oh, it's kind of cold out. As you can see, I'm in a jacket. But I'm grabbing my scooter. And I heard some weird noises outside. Wait, I gotta close the door back down there because Cassie will get free. Do you hear it? Like I was hearing weird noises. So I decided I was gonna come out here and see what it was. So got my scooter. I'm gonna head out here now. So I'm gonna open the gate. Open. I don't know why they have like a little. They have like a little blue clip on their door. Okay. Well, it's all hooked up. So we're going. Oh, it's cold. It's kind of cold out. As you can see, I don't know where that weird noise is coming from. I checked under the deck and all this stuff like that. It wasn't coming from there. And yes, I am wearing sandals. Maybe it was coming from the front. You know, just some random person put in their yard. See? That's my friend right there. Okay, she was my friend when I was a baby. We're still friends, kind of. Okay, guys. Hopefully nothing bad happens here. I'm scared. Okay, nothing's following me. There's nothing in the yard. Thankfully. Ooh, you should always check in the alley. No one's there. Okay, good. That's Stormy. She's a really cute dog. Her name is Stormy. And she's a Warmy. Her name is Stormy.
Be out here by yourself, honey.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing?
Show me.
Doing more videos? More videos, lady?
Yeah. Okay.